Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create a basketball in 1 minute, so it will be very quick and easy. So add a cube, Ctrl 2 to add a subdivision and apply it. Go to edit mode and go to wireframe mode, select face selection and delete all parts except 1/8. So you need to have something like this. Go to top view. Now press K to select knife tool and draw the basketball line, something like this. Press enter. Exit edit mode, go back to solid, and now add a mirror modifier to all axes. Select clipping and apply. Go to edit mode, select all, and press Alt Shift S and to make it round. Now go to edge selection and select all these basketball lines. You need to have something like this. Exit edit mode, add a subdivision surface and apply it. Go back to edit mode. Now press Ctrl B to bevel. Set the segments to 2. Now Alt E and select Extrude along face normals. Exit edit mode and now press again Ctrl 1 to add a subdivision and apply it. So you can now add shade smooth and our ball is ready. If you want to see how to create materials for this ball, please follow for the next part.